over there I'm supposed to be watching. There's all this I'm supposed to be watching. You can kind of see the stacker. There we go. See a couple belts.